If you want to hard reset your Google Pixel 10 Pro XL with the recovery mode, then what you need to do is, first of all, we need to turn off our device. So we're gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu, and we're gonna shut it down. Now we need to wait for the phone to completely turn off, and after that what you can do is you can press and hold the power button and volume down button until you open the fast boot mode. So press and hold power and volume down, and once you have this fast boot mode, we need to use volume buttons in order to navigate, and we are looking for recovery mode over here. Once you have recovery mode on the screen, we can press the power button again, and now we need to wait for the next screen. And you will see this no command screen. And in this case, what you need to do is you need to press and hold the power button, and then while holding the power button, you want to press volume up. There we go. And by doing so, we will go to the Android recovery. And in here, once again, we navigate with volume buttons. So we can use volume up and down in order to choose a different option. And we are looking for the wipe data / factory reset option. After that, confirm by pressing the power button. Then over here, go to factory data reset, and once again, confirm with the power button. And if it is done, once you complete the hard reset of the device, most likely you will go back to the main menu of the Android recovery. So in this case, you just want to make sure that reboot system now is selected, and just exit the recovery mode by confirming this option, by choosing this option essentially. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.